Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Kdenlive. So if you ever have experienced a laggy playback on your Kdenlive, so here's what you need to do. So first, you just need to select your clip and then go to project, click on project settings, and then here in project settings, go to proxy, and then just click on this proxy clips and click on these two options as well. And once you have all the options enabled, you just need to click OK. And here you'll see that the clip is loading and it is actually creating a proxy video for your clips. And it shows here that a letter P appeared on your clips. It means that Kdenlive already created a proxy for your video. And the resolution of this proxy is lower than your original video. So this will help you eliminate the lag on playbacks. And that's how you fix the lag on Kdenlive. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.